Hi, my name is Teddy, and I'm appointed to build an average performing PC for my brother, who is an IT student. They have an online class and he needs a computer. Because there is a lack of a supply of a budget-friendly laptops here in our place, we decided to build a PC instead, buying of a laptop. So I bought some parts here. And here's what I bought. I'm going to unbox each item. Without further ado, let's get started. For our motherboard, we have Gigabyte's B365M DS3H. It has an Intel B365 chipsets, which supports 9th and 8th Gen Intel Core processors. This motherboard has HDMI port for video output. This supports USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type 1 ports and also has dual channel non-ECC unbuffered DDR4. And for our processor, we have Intel Core i5-9400. This is a 9th gen processor with a speed of up to 4.10 GHz. It has a 6 numbers of cores and also 6 numbers of threads. The base frequency for this processor is 2.90 GHz. This has a thermal design power of 65 watts and very efficient for this one. And has an integrated graphic processor, which is the Intel UHD Graphics 630 that supports 4K videos at 60 Hz. Not bad, huh? And for our power supply unit, we have Huntkey GS700. This power supply unit is rated 600 watts. It is a reliable power supply with active PFC, excellent heat dissipation and soundless performance, ultra durable covering shell, and a power supply for gaming PC. For our RAM is an 8GB stick with 3000 MHz, which a little bit over for our motherboard because the MOBA only supports 2666 MHz, but will work fine. This is a Vengeance LPX memory. This is designed for high performance overclocking. The heat spreader is made of pure aluminum for faster heat dissipation, and the 8-layer PCB helps manage heat and provides superior overclocking headroom. And lastly, for the storage, we have Kingston M.2 NVMe SSD with 250GB storage. We will be taking advantage of the M.2 slot in our motherboard for cheaper and faster system. So here's our SSD, memory, power supply, motherboard, our CPU. Now the assembling. Firstly, attach the motherboard into the casing and secure them with the screws provided. Next, the processor. Put it in place. Then install the fan. Make sure the fan is plugged into the motherboard. Next is the memory. Then we will be installing the M.2 SSD storage. Secure it with the screws and the switches, some extension ports and LEDs of the casing. Plug into the motherboard. And lastly, the power supply. Secure them with the screws. Then untangle the cables. Plug the respective cables to the motherboard. we're done. Just install the OS, which in this case we use Windows 10, and we have a functional desktop PC. Thanks to our sponsors video, my beloved Kuya Ads. And that's all it for today's video. If you like this video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe. If you don't mind, if you may leave a comment what you think about this video. Till to our next video, see ya.